Hi scholars, we're going to start the Revolutionary War in the next coming days. And so for this assignment, I want to make sure that I explain explicitly what it is that you have to do. If we take a look at this document together, you're going to see that there are several different slides that you're going to complete. Okay, let's look at the directions together carefully though. It says directions, you have the next 3 school days to complete this Revolutionary War choice board. So you have 3 class periods to do this. Some items you must complete. Pay close attention to the number in each row. This number indicates how many activities you must complete per row. When you finish an item, drag a coin from the stack and then put it on that space on the board to show that it's complete. You're going to submit your completed choice board by Wednesday, May the 5th. Let's take a look at this together, guys. So we have on this document, if you look at this little blue box right here, you're going to see that there are blue boxes that indicates how many things you must complete within that row. So when we look at that first row, it says you have to complete 4. So we're going to need for you to complete the Army advantages and disadvantages slides, important battle slides, camp life and Valley Forge, and local York history slides. So you must do all 4 of those slides. In order to do that, you're going to simply click on the click here, and it's going to take you to those slides. You need to follow explicitly the directions. So before you email me or say, Mrs. Rhodes, I don't understand, here's my tips and tricks over here. Let's take a look at that together. Read the directions carefully. Everything is spelled out for you. It's explained. Links are embedded for you. They do work. I've tested and tried them all. So read those directions carefully. If something is too small for you, enlarge it, zoom in on it. And if you accidentally move something or delete it, just hit that undo button. Okay, so back to those blue boxes then. You're going to complete those tasks. When you complete a task, you're going to take these little coins here and they indicate that you have finished it. Okay, so you're going to just click and drag as you finish it and you've completed whatever it is that you have to do. Okay? The first row we've already discussed. The second row, you need to do the dates. You must use the slide to complete the dates. Okay, so click on the dates and then I have a timeline activity. Okay, again, I'm going to read those directions carefully and I'm going to complete whatever activity I have to do. Within that row, you have a choice now. So this is called a Revolutionary War choice board. So you get to choose the remaining activities in that row. So after you've completed the dates, you have a choice of either the places, documents, or the people. So you're going to click on one of those, whatever seems the most interesting to you. And again, you're going to click and drag. The third row is more about specific individuals. So you have your choice between African Americans in the Revolutionary War, spies in the Revolutionary War, women, or Native Americans in the Revolutionary War. Again, you only need to complete one of those in that row. And then the last is, again, completing one. When we look at that blue box, you'll see that there's only one that you need to complete in that row. So you can select reenactments, learning more about what they are, paintings, letters, or monuments. So when it's all said and done, guys, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top row completed. The second row, you're going to have that first one completed with dates, and then you have a choice of one of those activities. So I'm just going to click and drag randomly. Okay? And that third row, you have a choice for one of those activities. Again, I'm just going to pick one randomly. And then the last row, you have a choice of one activity as well. Okay? So when it's all said and done, when you submit this, in addition to these coins being clicked and dragged on your screen, you obviously need to complete the tasks associated with them. But you're going to have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 activities that you need to complete within the next 3 class periods. If you're using your time wisely, this should not be a problem at all. If you have any questions, please see me. You can send me an email or you can see a friend. Okay, but again, Going back to those directions, pay close attention to the directions, read them carefully, and make sure you're completing all the parts to those activities. Thanks so much, guys.